Hello, EDU 430 people, Kristen, Rebecca, Paxton, and Victoria. Welcome to the class. I want to take just a minute to kind of show you around this course just so that you know what to expect. So this announcements page is where I'll put announcements. I probably won't put too many during the class, but anytime I want to contact you guys as a group, I'll do that, and I'll also make sure that I put it so that it'll come to your email as well. Your syllabus is here, and just so you know, I've also attached Word documents to all of these because sometimes it's hard to navigate through, scrolling all the way through, and sometimes people like actually hard copies. So here's the syllabus that should be helpful to you and also have expectations. I've organized the course contents around weeks. So there are 15 weeks all total, and you'll need to go through each week. So for example, week 1, most weeks are organized the same. Every week will have a to-do list. So these are the things that you need to do or keep in your mind each week. So for example, week 1, you need to read over the syllabus, you need to read the first 2 chapters of Marzano, and then you need to use the reading guide to help you with that. And then you need to submit weekly exercises 2.1 through 2.3 to submit assignments. So here is the reading guide, and that will help you. I have done this only for the Marzano book, not for the Wormelli book, but you'll see that for the first 4 weeks. So every week is pretty much organized the same. You have a to-do list. For the first couple, we'll have to-do list and reading guides. But as you get a little farther, let's go to week 4. Oh no, there's also a reading guide for week 4. Let's go to week 5. So week 5 has a to-do list, no reading guide for that week, but it has some videos that I'd like you to watch and some web links. So you'll kind of see, and that'll all explain it right. Trying to point there. Right in the to-do list. There are, and everyone is pretty much set up. Oh, let me go back there for 1 minute, and you can see all the way down to week 15. So you can jump ahead or move in any direction that you want. There is a discussion page. There is an Ask the Instructor, so if you have questions for me, this is a good place to put it. You can also email that to me as well, but I like to put it there as well because sometimes your question is a question that someone else has. In week 5, you do have to give a presentation. So if you are working at your own pace, know that there are a couple of times, I believe in week 5, and also in your assessment inquiry project and your assessment profiles and glossary, that you are going to have to check in with other people. So even if you move ahead, just be aware that you might have to go backwards a little bit, or you do have other people to account for because there are 4 of you in this class. So here are the discussions here. All of your assignments are in assignment descriptions, and again, I've given you the hard copies as well, so if it's a little onerous to scan through each one. So up at the top, if you want to print out the assignment description, that's another way to do that. When you submit assignments, you're going to go to the Submit Assignments button, and you'll see where each one of those submit assignments are. There are a lot of smaller assignments for this class and some big ones, so take some time to look through the syllabus to see what each one is, and also the to-do list at the beginning of each week. Just so you know, most assignments are submitted through Submit Assignments, but a couple of these assignments are submitted through the discussion board, and the points are allocated that way. So that'll tell you in that to-do list and also the assignment description where the points are coming. And the assessment glossary isn't towards the end. It's, I believe, the last week that you're going to be submitting to that, and that's a wiki. So if you have trouble with that, basically you just click and you get kind of a Word document and you cut and paste in there. But we'll get to that a little bit later. I'll try to maybe do some updates. So I hope that just helps get you familiar with the course. I think it'll be a good course. It's going to be a busy one. This is a lot of work in 15 weeks, but it is also self-directed. So I hope this helps you, and enjoy.